Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn 2D shapes. Triangle, square, circle, star, hexagon and heart. First we are going to know the color's name. Yellow color, purple color, orange color, blue color, red color and green color, and this is black color. First we are going to draw the shapes. Triangle, this is triangle. Square, this is square. Circle, this is circle. Star, this is star. Hexagon, hexagon. Heart, this is heart. Now we're going to put the colors. Green color, triangle. Blue color, square. Next, orange color, circle. Next, yellow color, star. Next, purple color, hexagon. Next, red color, heart. What we learn? We learn triangle, green color, square, blue color, circle, orange color, star, yellow color, hexagon, purple color and heart, red color. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.